Happy birthday to you. Is that it?
Top. Top.
Yeah? Okay, say bye-bye, Paul. Happy birthday.
No.
No?
No.
Give him a wave.
No.
It's his birthday. You say it again so we can understand it. Say, happy birthday, Paul. What are you going to say? Happy birthday, Paul.
Whose birthday is it?
Pa.
What are you going to say to him when you see him on the phone?
Yes.
You going to tell him anything?
Yeah.
What are you going to say?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
To you.
You sing with me?
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paul. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Yay! Give him a wave then.
One more time. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Paul. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Paul. To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, mommy, happy birthday, mommy, happy birthday, baby,
Elizabeth's birthday.
happy birthday, daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dodo.
Alright, tell Uncle Paul happy birthday and blow him a kiss.
Pa.
Yeah, tell him happy birthday. Touch the phone.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.